1937 Hudson Terraplane Brougham 92. Price $22,118. Location Dallas, Texas. The 1937 Hudson Terraplane Brougham 92 is the kind of classic car that instantly stops people in their tracks. With its flowing pre-war body lines, massive chrome grille, and elegant nut brown metallic paint, this rare American icon looks like it rolled straight out of a Hollywood movie set from the golden age of automobiles. Every inch of this machine tells a story from an era when cars were built with personality, craftsmanship, and unforgettable style. The moment you look closer, the incredible details begin to reveal themselves. The large chrome bumpers, the legendary hood ornament, and the beautiful white wall tires wrapped round 16-inch steel wheels create a timeless appearance that modern cars simply cannot replicate. This Hudson Terraplane carries a powerful road presence that feels luxurious, bold, and sophisticated all at once. Even standing still, it looks fast and ready to dominate the highways of 1930s America. The real magic happens under the hood, where a 212 cubic inch L-head inline 6-cylinder engine delivers authentic vintage performance. Paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, this classic provides a driving experience filled with raw mechanical charm and old-school excitement. Back in its day, the Terraplane series earned a reputation as one of the fastest and most responsive, affordable cars in America. Drivers loved the balance of speed, reliability, and comfort that Hudson engineered into these remarkable automobiles. The interior feels like stepping into a moving time capsule. The warm tan mohair cabin creates a luxurious vintage atmosphere, while the classic bench seats and large 3-spoke steering wheel transport you directly into the late 1930s. Every detail inside the car reminds you of an era before touchscreens and digital displays, when driving was all about connection, craftsmanship, and the thrill of the open road. The floor-mounted shifter and vintage dashboard complete the authentic pre-war driving experience. The most impressive part about this 1937 Hudson Terraplane Brougham 92 is how beautifully it represents American automotive history. This is not just another old car sitting in a garage. It is a surviving symbol of innovation, ambition, and timeless design from one of the most important periods in automotive evolution. Few vehicles today can capture attention, spark conversation, and create nostalgia quite like this incredible machine. The Hudson Terraplane continues to attract collectors and enthusiasts from the world because of its rarity, elegant styling, and fascinating historical significance. Whether cruising through city streets, appearing at prestigious classic car shows, or simply parked under the lights, this car commands admiration everywhere it goes. For anyone who appreciates true vintage motoring, this Hudson is more than transportation. It is rolling artwork from America's golden automotive age.